Hi everyone, I am Aarti Goyal from Mapples Academy. Today I am here to explain you reproduction in plants. So let's begin. Reproduction in plants. Plants reproduce using seeds, stems, leaves and roots. Most plants grow from seeds, though not all seeds grow into new plants due to various reasons like being eaten or damaged. Structure of a seed. Seeds have a small hole to absorb water and a scar showing where they were attached to the fruit. The seed coat protects the seed. Inside are two halves called cotyledons which store food for the baby plant. The embryo is the baby plant consisting of baby shoot, grows upwards into stem, leaves and flowers. Baby root grows downwards into the soil to form roots. Germination. Germination is the process by which a seed grows into a new plant. When a seed gets water, air and the right temperature, it starts to grow. The radicle comes out first to form roots, followed by the plumule which grows into the shoot. Dispersal of seeds. Seed dispersal is the process of spreading seeds away from the parent plant. It helps plants grow in new places. Seeds are dispersed by wind, example dandelion, water, example coconut, animals, example mango, explosion, example pea pod, gravity, example apple falling. Vegetative reproduction. Many plants reproduce through leaves, stems and roots by a process called vegetative reproduction or vegetative propagation. Reproduction from stem. Some plants can grow new plants from their stems. This is called stem reproduction. Examples: potato grows from stem tubers with buds. Ginger grows from underground stem. Money plant grows from stem cuttings in water or soil. Reproduction from leaves. Some plants can grow new plants from their leaves. Some plantlets grow on the edges of leaves and fall off to grow into new plants. Example: bryophyllum. Reproduction from roots. Some plants grow new plants from their roots. These roots store food and grow into new plants. Example: carrot, sweet potato, dahlia. Reproduction from spores. Some plants like ferns and mosses reproduce through spores instead of seeds. Spores are tiny cells that grow into new plant when they land in a moist place. Agriculture. The practice of growing large quantities of plants for food and other purposes is called agriculture. The plants that are grown in large quantities to provide food and other useful materials are called crops. Crops are classified based on their growing season and use. Based on season. Crops are grown in different seasons. Kharif crops grown in rainy season. Example: rice, maize, cotton. Rabi crops grown in winter. Examples: wheat, mustard, peas. Zad crops grown between Rabi and Kharif. Examples: watermelon, cucumber. Based on uses. Food crops grown for eating. Examples: rice, wheat, maize. Cash crops grown for sale and industry. Examples: cotton, sugarcane, jute. Oil seeds used to make oil. Examples: mustard, groundnut. Beverage crops used to make drinks. Example: tea, coffee. Stages of agriculture. The field is plowed. Manure is added to the soil. Seeds are sown. The crops are irrigated. The crops are sprayed with pesticides. The crops are cut and collected.